Hello everyone and welcome to Measure Once, Cuss Twice, where close is good enough. So I'm halfway into a garage insulation project. Theme fitting well with this channel. I ordered 2 boxes of insulation here, and one of the boxes was missing the retainer clips that hold the insulation onto the door. So instead of going back to Home Depot, I decided to just email Owens Corning. I was kind of curious what they would do, and they quickly sent me a whole box of retainer clips. Plenty to go around here now, but pretty impressive for a large company that they responded so quickly and sent those without question. So thank you, Owens Corning. So I've got kind of multiple stages here of the process to show you. So first, the panels. So you measure the panels to cut your insulation pieces to size. And then there are these sticky adhesive pieces, double-sided. Peel off this side to then attach a retainer clip. Do that on both sides. And then once you cut your insulation to size, and I've only had to cut to length, the width fits in my garage door. After that, you then cut a small slit in this vinyl, and the retainer clip comes through, and you just attach the clip like that, and that will hold the insulation into place. Now I've got, I don't know if all garage doors are like this, but I've only got, I've got these pieces here where the insulation does not tuck in. So I've been using this 3M duct tape to, hold those sides into place, hoping that will keep it looking nice and not falling out. So a couple of things, this center panel's been in for a couple of weeks now. And some of the things I've been noticing with this is this tearing where there was a cut. And it's happening in a few places where it's, I'm assuming as the garage door is open and there's the weight on the clip, it appears to be tearing. So I'm gonna go through and taping those up and see if they hold. I've also seen some things on videos on installations on this where the garage door struggled a little bit to open. So far with just that center panel, I haven't noticed a difference, but I've noticed a big difference in noise when the kids throw a ball against the garage door. It's not that loud bang anymore. It's a soft dull. So here's the insulation unrolled. Basically just measure your width, length, I should say, and using a straight edge to cut through with a knife. There's the rolls come. Pretty easy process. Again, someone missed adding clips to the package, but that seems fitting with this channel. All right, mission complete. Overall, pretty straightforward to install. I think a couple tips, things to be aware of. Those retainer clips, I would install all of those in the same direction, so when you need to cut the vinyl, you know what direction the clip is facing. Just makes it a little easier to cut through. And then also remember that the aluminum on the door is sharp, and I added a little bit of blood accents to the door insulation, but I'm really the only one who's going to see this. So we'll see how it works over the winter, but pretty easy install. I'm now going to try opening the garage door. Haven't tried it yet, so we'll see if it struggles or something breaks. Okay, here we go. Seems fine. Also, plenty of clips left over from the extras. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these.